In this video, we're going to cover how to properly wash towels to keep them soft, absorbent, and fresh. Towels can become rough, smelly, or lose their absorbency over time if not washed correctly. Let's go through the best practices to ensure your towels stay clean and fluffy for a long time. Before washing, separate towels by color to prevent dye transfer. Washing white towels separately from colored ones helps keep them bright. Towels can also shed lint, so it's a good idea to wash them with other towels or similar fabrics to avoid getting lint on clothes. Load your towels into the washing machine and select a warm water cycle. Use a small amount of detergent. Overuse can leave residue on the towels, making them less absorbent. Add vinegar or baking soda to the wash cycle to eliminate odors and help break down detergent buildup. Vinegar also softens the towels without the need for fabric softener. After the wash cycle, it's important to rinse towels thoroughly to remove any detergent residue. Most modern washing machines do this automatically, but if your towels feel stiff, you can add an extra rinse cycle to ensure they're fully rinsed. Dry your towels using a medium heat setting in the dryer. Add dryer balls or clean tennis balls to the dryer, as these help keep the towels fluffy and prevent clumping. Avoid high heat, which can damage the fibers and reduce the towel's softness. If you prefer to air dry, hang the towels outside in a well-ventilated area, shaking them out before hanging to prevent stiffness. Once the towels are dry, give them a good shake to fluff them up. This helps loosen the fibers and keeps them feeling soft and fluffy. Avoid over-drying, as this can make towels feel scratchy. After washing and drying, fold the towels neatly and store them in a dry, ventilated space. Avoid storing towels in a humid area, as this can lead to mildew. If you need extra freshness between washes, consider adding a sachet of lavender or a similar scent to your linen closet. Washing towels properly is the key to keeping them soft, absorbent, and long-lasting. By following these steps, you'll ensure your towels stay fresh and fluffy for everyday use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical laundry tips and home care advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.